We are on Warsaw Sandy Beach as the tide is coming in. There is no beach left. This is one stretch of the beach which still remains. This was the original height of the beach, the original sand level. The rest of the beach is being filled up with stones, rocks, cement, and I can no longer walk on Warsaw Beach because the entire beach has been taken over with tetrapods, cement walls, stones. So if I want to walk on the beach, I first need to put on my swimming costume because it's impossible to walk here any longer. The guy who is standing on top of the wall in white, that is the height which they have raised and made it into a promenade, taking over at least 200 feet width of Warsaw Beach and leaving nothing for people to walk on. This is one little stretch, but how do I walk from that point to this point? It's just not possible. What is the work they are supposed to be doing? They are supposed to be repairing that existing wall. If you see here, this wall, existing wall between the beach and the building is to be repaired and strengthened. This promenade which they have made is specifically denied. They asked for permission, we want to make this promenade. It was refused. You cannot make a promenade on a sandy beach. There is absolutely no permission for these tetrapods. They have not even asked for permission. So please allow us to put tetrapods on our beach. So you can see the level of the tide right now, and you can see the level of the wall. I mean, this is not the tide level that comes. This is a 3-meter tide, and the tide only goes up to 5 meters. It's 2 meters difference. But here they've made it as if they made some sort of a dam here and completely ruined the entire Warsaw Beach. That entire stretch where natural water used to flow, that can't flow any longer. That water has to go somewhere else. It can't come on Warsaw Beach. So it will go and flood or go and trouble Mud Island, or it will trouble Jew Beach, or it will trouble Dadar Beach. The tide, we cannot tell where the tide will go, but it will go somewhere else. It has to. If you stop water from coming here, water will come out somewhere else. What is the purpose of the seawall? To protect the buildings. Because the tide is with the force and the building wall is damaged. Repair the wall, improve the wall, do whatever is required for that purpose. Taking up the entire beach, will it protect the wall?
Is it also going to affect public access to the beach? Can you talk about that?
Access, there is no access. We walked ourselves from that corner to this corner. Would we walk? There is no beach. There is no place to walk. We have to walk on the stones. We have to walk on the cement. We have to walk on the rocks. There is no place to walk on the beach any longer. There is no place already.